friends, we give them special care. They feed, they shelter, they give us fresh air. Without plants in our world, we simply could not live, because of all of the awesome gifts that they give. The tiny plant begins as a seed that germinates, and from this moment on, here's the journey that it takes. The roots are in the dirt to help the plant grow and hold it in place when the winds blow. Just like a soda straw, they suck up H2O, and when the plant gets water, stand back and watch it grow. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Stems hold the plant up, they carry water too. The leaves, flowers, fruit, and seeds, that's what the stems do. Leaves grow from the stem, they soak up lots of sun. When they change it into food, then their job is done. The food is for the plant, it gives it strength and power. It helps it to grow and make a nice flower. Keep it going, keep it going. Wind, birds, and bees, these are a flower's friend. They help the life cycle to start once again. The flower makes a fruit with a seed deep inside. Some are eaten, some are blown, or some just hitch a ride. Once the fruit is dried and a little seed comes out, the seed will find the dirt and a new plant will sprout. Yeah. The life cycle starts again. Keep